Know your BMW inside out with the Driver's Guide app, providing vehicle information just like the manual. Start the BMW Driver's Guide app directly or via your My BMW app. Log in with your BMW ID or create a new one. The vehicle mapped to your BMW ID is automatically shown in the BMW Driver's Guide app when opened via the My BMW app. Now download content for your BMW model. Once the digital vehicle info is downloaded, you can also use it offline. All BMWs from 1997 onwards are supported. The app provides all the details about your BMW and its built-in equipment sorted by subjects, including tips for your journey. Back in the main menu, click on the search icon to find Smart Functions. The 360-degree view presents you a 3D model of your car, outside and inside. Flip your phone horizontally to get a bigger picture. And click the bullet points for more details. Let's check the inside. With the Smart Scan function, you can use your smartphone camera to scan a control in the car. The related information gets shown in the app. Also, check out the demo vehicles for more insights. Download the BMW Driver's Guide app and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.